Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a topic that is essential for every car owner: car insurance. Whether you're a new driver or an experienced one, understanding car insurance is crucial for protecting yourself and your vehicle. So, let's dive into everything you need to know about car insurance. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is car insurance? Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company that provides financial protection in case of accidents, damage, theft, or any other covered events. It's a way to mitigate the financial risks associated with owning and driving a car. Now, let's talk about the different types of car insurance coverage available. The most common types are liability insurance, collision insurance, comprehensive insurance, and uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Liability insurance is the most basic type of coverage required in most places. It provides protection if you cause an accident that injures someone else or damages their property. This coverage helps cover their medical bills, repairs, or legal expenses. Collision insurance, on the other hand, covers the cost of repairs to your vehicle in case of a collision, regardless of who was at fault. It's especially important if you have a newer or more expensive car. Comprehensive insurance provides coverage for non-collision related events, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or damage caused by animals. It's an optional coverage, but it offers additional peace of mind. Lastly, uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance or has insufficient coverage to pay for damages. It helps cover your medical expenses and property damage. Now, let's talk about the factors that affect your car insurance premiums. Insurance companies consider several factors when determining the cost of your insurance, including your driving record, age, gender, location, type of vehicle, annual mileage, and even your credit history. Generally, drivers with a clean driving record and a low-risk profile tend to get lower premiums. On the other hand, young and inexperienced drivers, or those with a history of accidents or traffic violations, may face higher premiums. When it comes to car insurance, there are two important terms you should know: deductibles and discounts. A deductible is the amount you're responsible for paying before your insurance kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premium, but it means you'll have to pay more out of pocket in case of an accident. On the other hand, insurance companies offer various discounts that can help you save money on your premiums. These discounts can include things like good student discounts, multi-policy discounts, safe driving discounts, or discounts for installing safety devices in your vehicle. In the unfortunate event that you need to file a claim, there are a few steps you should follow. First, make sure everyone involved is safe and seek medical attention if needed. Then, gather all the necessary information, such as contact details of the parties involved, witnesses, and any relevant documentation. Next, contact your insurance company as soon as possible and provide them with all the necessary details about the incident. They will guide you through the claims process and help you with the necessary paperwork. And that wraps up our video on car insurance. We've covered the basics of car insurance, including the different types of coverage, factors that affect premiums, deductibles, discounts, and the process of filing a claim. Remember, car insurance is not just a legal requirement in most places. It's an essential financial safety net for unforeseen events. Make sure to review your policy regularly and shop around to get the best coverage and price for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, we appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and stay protected.